As 60% of the Ugandan population depend on maize flour as their staple food, allow me introduce to you the maize milling and grading business.
I'm a manager of Manyakabi Area Cooperative Enterprise. It was formulated way back in 2004. We are mainly in 3 enterprises: maize, beans, and soybean. We do cleaning, sorting, grading, and packing, and we sell them as grains. But for maize grains, we add value, we mill, sell it as maize flour and animal bran. Staff who are in administration, the number did not increase. But in the sales department, the number increased. In the milling team, now we have 3 shifts. So in the milling team, it increased from 6 to 18. In the animal brand, there used to be 2, now there are 10. Total number of staff increased to 28 if you include all the staff. Usually in the mornings, there are many youth here who are doing loading and offloading trucks. Our working relationship with UDB is very good. We applied for 300 million, which was approved, and they gave it to us in early 2020, around March. It was a 7-month loan period, and we successfully paid it. And after paying it, within 2 weeks, we got our second loan of 300 million. So that one, it helped us so much. Even in other banks, I think they cannot make a record of giving another loan in a period of 2 weeks. They were distributing food in Kampala. We were able to supply. The prices went up, farmers were happy that the production volumes increased. The sales increased of maize flour. Even it stimulated even our own farmers to put more effort to increase the volumes of maize grains because there was a market. And this, because we are milling, it brought more higher returns profit to both the farmers and the ACE. Those who used to harvest 3 to 2 bags in the same area, now they are harvesting 8 bags.
Ruri nari nima ekemu njamu kilo 10 ezikora 5 emu. Chokana nejoininga Manyakabi Cooperative nebanyamba nebanyigiriza okurima burungi nenima ekemu njamu kilo 10. Sente zenaja mu nimiro zange mu byali nima nisomese abana bange nenzimba enyumba.
On a year basis, we are producing 150 metric tons of what? Of maize flour. But now we are producing between 200 and 250 metric tons per month. So you can see we are dealing in large volumes of grains. We have increased from 324 million to over 1 billion. UDB funds has helped us to remain resilient and also to compete favorably with other big players in our business sector.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this.